everyone, and welcome
to another video with another drama with my mom.
Oh yeah, and welcome to today's video. Another day, another drama with my 10-year-old daughter. With you. You. Today is another day, another drama in the mama's house. Something happened. Something always happens in the mama's house. And this little woman did something with my phone. And I wasn't sure if this should be possible. So now, here it goes. Do you want to tell them what happened?
I can unlock my mom's phone with my face when she's meant to unlock her phone with her face only.
Using my facial recognition. You know, when you get the phone, you do this. I done that with my face. And my little princess here can actually unlock my phone. Apple, how is this even possible? We're going to show you that we're not, making this up. You just wait, relax, and watch what is about to unfold. Because we are saying the truth. Watch. Yep. Now I've got all my bling and jazz to make sure that we don't look alike in any way. Had my eyebrow done, my long sparkly earrings. Let's see if this is gonna work. Right. This is my phone. Apple 11 Max, I think. This is an iPhone 11 Max. And I will unlock this phone with my face.
Your pretty face.
Thank you. My pretty face. Okay? Unlocked. And you slide up and it's ready. Yeah. Now watch this. I'm going to lock it. It's locked. And I'll hand it over to my little princess.
I'm gonna open up my mom's phone with my pretty face.
How is this even possible? Please, how is this even possible, Apple? How? Do we look alike? Do we? I don't know. But please, if you know anyone that works with Apple, iPhone, whatever, please share this video. Let them explain to everyone how this is even possible. Because my concern, what if my daughter is then arrested for a crime that I have committed because of the, facial recognition thing? But I haven't done any crime, so I'm hoping that she's okay. But this is proper surprising that she can actually unlock my phone with her pretty face. But this is like the shocker number 2. My daughter, 10-year-old daughter, unlocking my iPhone 11 Max with her pretty face. So please comment below, like, subscribe, share with Apple, please. And we will be very pleased. We need some explanation because this is supposed to be like the high-tech phone, and some things are not meant to happen. So if you guys know anyone that works with Apple and designs the iPhone, please can you share this video with them so they can explain to the billions of people in the world why this is possible. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Ciao.
And one more thing, you guys are the best viewers ever.
Aww, that is so sweet, Princess.
Good day.
Let's try and sit up like that. That's good. So I'm going to do my trick with my face, and here it goes.